Hi friends, welcome to diploma classes. We can continue from the previous video. We have solved with this formula previous video. 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. We already solved in previous video using this formula. Model number 1. Model number 1. Now we are solving another problem and this problem also in this video. 2 cos A 2 cos A sin B is equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B అనే ఫార్ములా చూద్దాం. ఓకే, సైన్ ఉంటే పాజిటివ్ సైన్ ఉండాలండి, కాస్ ఉంటే నెగిటివ్ సైన్ ఉండాలి. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సైన్ behind 2, if it is sine, we have to write positive sign, and behind 2 it is cos, we have to write minus. Okay, now we can go for the question and answers. Okay, now I have to write something regarding to the previous video and today's video. Okay, now they will give like this. Okay, question: integral sin mx cos nx dx on R and real numbers on R m is not equal to n, where m and n are positive integers. ఓకే, ఏం లేదండి, మనం సాల్వ్ చేసామో అలా సాల్వ్ చేయడమే. ఇన్ ప్రీవియస్ వీడియో హౌ వి done this question, we have to solve like that only. Okay, solution: given that integral sin mx cos nx dx multiply and divide by 2 by 2 integral sin mx cos nx dx. Therefore 1 by 2 integral 2 sin mx cos nx dx. ఎలా కనబడుతుందండి? ఈ ఫామ్లో కనబడుతుందా? 2 sin ఏ ప్లేస్లో mx వచ్చింది, b ప్లేస్లో nx వచ్చింది, అంతే. ఆ ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయడమే. 1 by 2 ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఇక్కడ రాయడమ్మా sin a mx plus nx. ఓకే, mx plus nx. Then plus sin mx minus nx dx. ఇప్పుడు విడివిడిగా రాయండి. 1/2 ఇంటిగ్రల్ సైన్ ఎక్స్ని కామన్ తీస్తే m ప్లస్ nx dx ప్లస్ మళ్ళీ ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1/2 ఇంటిగ్రల్ సైన్ ఎక్స్ని కామన్ తీస్తే m మైనస్ n x dx. అంతే కదా. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఫార్ములా తెలుసు. ఏం ఫార్ములా తెలుసు? ఇంటిగ్రల్ సైన్ ax dx ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ కాస్ ax బై a ప్లస్ సి. ఇక్కడ ఏ ఏంటమ్మా? ఇక్కడ ఏ అనేది m ప్లస్ n, ఏ అనేది m మైనస్ n. ఫర్ దిస్ వన్ ఏ m మైనస్ 1, ఫర్ దిస్ వన్ ఏ m ప్లస్ 1 ఓవర్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ cos m plus n x by m plus n of minus cos m minus n x by m minus n plus c. Okay, over. This is the solution of this question. Okay, we have to compare, we have to do like that. And if it is cos, they given like this. Now this is cos, this is sin. Okay, cos, sin. Now which formula it is related to? cos a, 2 cos a sin b. ఆ ఫార్ములా రిలేటెడ్గా ఉంది, అవునా కదా? ఎస్. నౌ we will solve this question also, and I will give homework problem. Solution: given that given that integral cos mx sin nx dx. Okay, divide and multiply by 2. 2/2 integral cos mx sin nx dx. Therefore 1/2, 2 అనేది లోపల తీసుకెళ్తే 2 cos mx sin nx. Okay, now 1/2 formula apply చేద్దాం. Formula, we have to apply the formula. 2 cos a mx b nx. Now sin mx plus nx minus sin mx minus nx dx. Therefore మనం విడిగా రాద్దాం. Separately we have to write integral for this sin mx and mx plus nx and sin mx minus nx. Now common the x term, sin m plus nx dx minus of integral sin, take the x term common, m minus n x dx. Therefore we can know the formula integral sin ax dx is equal to minus cos ax by a plus c. Okay, We are learning here integral sin x cos x dx formula and sin x and cos x. Now here we can write of minus cos mx m plus n x by m plus n 1 by 2 cos minus cos m minus n x by m minus n plus c. Okay, this is the solution of this question. క్లియర్గా అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. We should have to understand clearly what is the procedure I am following, and please understand, it is very very important for the intermediate students. Okay, now I will solve another question by using of numerical. It is clear or not, I don't know. I will see once camera. Okay, it is clear. Now using of this one, we can solve the another problem by using numericals. Okay, cos 3x sin 2x integral. Okay, now I will write in blue color. Cos 3x sin 2x dx. This is the question. How to solve this question? మనం ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలి ఈ క్వశ్చన్ని? ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ వాట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ ఇన్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, solution. What is given? Given that integral cos 3x sin 2x dx. Sorry, you should not write question mark. Integral cos 3x sin 2x dx. We have to compare these both formulas. Which is suitable? Cos A sin B. It is like that. Because of that, here we in the formula we are having 2. Okay, we are having 2. That's why I am multiplying and dividing by 2. 2 by 2 integral cos 3x sin 2x dx. Okay, if it is cancelled, it is shown like that, multiply and divide. Now this 2 has to come integral inside. 1 by 2 integral 2 cos 3x sin 2x dx. Okay, now comparing the formula 2 cos A అంటే ఏంటమ్మా 3x ఇక్కడ, తర్వాత B ఏంటమ్మా 2x. Now we can write as of integral sin 3x plus 2x. Okay, it is cos means we should have to write minus sin 3x minus 2x dx. Okay, now of integral sin 3x plus 2x ఎంతమ్మా 5x minus sin x dx. Now we have to write separately for the sin 5x and sin x. 3x లో నుంచి 2x తీసేస్తే we have to substitute 3x minus 2x, then it is 1x, then I written sin x, okay, of integral sin 5x dx minus of integral sin x dx. By using of integration formula, integral sin x dx means ఏంటమ్మా, sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. ఇంటిగ్రల్ sin ax dx అంటే ఏంటి, మైనస్ cos ax by a plus c. Then we can write this as of cos 5x by 5 5x by 5 minus of minus cos 5x by 5 minus cos x plus c. Okay, are understood? Okay, it is clear to all of you? Yes, it is. My words are understood. I hope you understood the problem. Now I am roughing and giving some of the homework problems to you. మీకు కొన్ని homework problems ఇస్తాను, అవి మీరు చేయండి. ఓకే, homework problems are very very important. What I am giving, what I am saying in these videos are very very important. It is interlinked between model to model. Okay, interconnected, interlinked. For the intermediate students, you will get 2 more questions from this model. Okay, try to understand and do well. Question number 1, integral cos 6x sin 2x. What? Cos 6x sin 2x dx. Question number 2, integral. Question number 2, integral cos 8x sin 3x dx. Question number 3, integral cos 7x sin 5x. Okay. Question number 4, integral cos 5x sin 2x dx. Okay, this all very very important. I prepared these notes from different textbooks. Okay, please, whatever I am giving homework problems, do. And if it is any problem regarding to these questions, please comment me in the chart. Okay, integral cos 2x sin 3x dx. Question number 6, integral cos 3x sin x. Question number 7, integral cos 5x sin 7x dx. Question number 8, integral cos 7x sin 2x. Already written? No, I didn't written. Dx. Very important problems you should have to do. Okay. Now question number 9, integral cos 5x sin 3x. I written? No. Question number 10, integral cos 4x sin 2x dx. Okay, these all questions we have to solve. Okay, solve these questions, and if it is having any problem, comment me, I will definitely say. Okay, subscribe my channel, share to your friends, relatives and family members. These videos are very important for the diploma students. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.